Okay, so here's the thing. Recently, I just found some interesting video, interesting software that I found in some random YouTube videos. By the way, the software developed by Ansys. I'm sorry for about the noise. The software is developed by Ansys, and this software it has some interesting, unique features on it, which take me interest to explore more about this software. Because of that, with this video, I'll try to invite you all to join me to explore more about this software that developed by Ansys, which is called Ansys Discovery. Hello everyone, my name is Fardison and welcome to Engineer Channel. Play my intro. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so distinction between the Ansys Discovery to the classic workbench Ansys, it can be seen when you do the Fluent simulation. There's a big difference when you try to do the Fluent simulation. So I think it's the videos will be short. It will be short when I just explain the difference between these two software. So because of that, uh, I will also show you how to do the simulation in Ansys Discovery. And because like I said before that the Fluent simulation is it really has a big gap difference between these two software. So I will do I will also do the Fluent simulation in in the software Ansys Discovery. And for the Fluent simulation, I will do is to simulate the airfoil. So yeah, let's do the airfoil simulation by using the Ansys Discovery. I will make it into my title of this video. Okay. So yeah, the basic simulation build you need to design the airfoil. So here's the important thing. You should take a note that the design of my airfoil for this simulation no is is just a random design. So I'm not recommend you to use my design here. Maybe you can find another reference to design the geometry of airfoil. So I will, yeah, I just did in this video I'll just do some uh, random geometry. So yeah, first thing to do is to design the airfoil. Before you design your airfoil, you need to turn on this start tracking story. You can press here, and I will explain you later when we do the simulation what is is the important to turn on this history tracking. This also the advantageous feature for this software. And I will explain you later when we do the simulation. Okay. And so in this point I will do the fast forward because it's not important. Just I'm doing some design geometry. Okay. Okay, so here's your geometry here. Okay, here's the geometry of your airfoil. So after you already finished to design your airfoil, to do the fluent simulation, you need to create the enclosure here for your airfoil to determine your fluid area that through your airfoil here. So what you need to do is you can go ahead here, then just uh, go to prepare, and then choose the enclosure here. And right after that, you can press the body geometry of your airfoil here, and then it will generate automatically the enclosure around your airfoil. And then you can determine the dimension of your enclosure. So for me, I will go here for 0, 0, here 0. I'll go for 250 here. To the oops, sorry. Okay, I 0 here, 0 here, 250 here, on the front side, upper side, 250, bottom side, 250, and the rear side I will go for 1000 here. And after that, after you determine your all dimension for your enclosure, you can, I'm sorry, I'll go here 0. Okay, so here's my enclosure for my simulation. And after you done, you can press here. Okay, and then after that you can just hide or exclude the simulation for your airfoil geometry that you design, because you only need the enclosure, not the solid one. So you can press this exclude for simulation, and then hide your body, and then you got your airfoil condition of your airfoil. Okay, after that, after you finish creating the enclosure here for your airfoil, what you can do is go straight to the simulation. So here's the thing so what's the distinction between the Ansys discovery and the classic workbench Ansys? First is the simple setup for Ansys discovery. So to set up your Fluent simulation to analyze your fluid flow, it's really simple, more simple than the workbench Ansys. So here's, let me show you. So to do the fluid simulation, what you can do is go to the fluid flow and choose your inlet area here. I'll go over here and choose your velocity. I'll go for 15 millimeter per second. And after you determine your inlet area, you can determine also for the outlet area. You can choose the phase that lost the outflow for the outflow of your fluid. Here you can choose the outlet, and then choose for the value. You can choose if you want to determine your outlet by velocity, mass flow rate, or pressure, whatever. We'll go straight to the pressure with the 0 Pascal, and then here, and then that's it. And for the, if you want to change the fluid condition, like you want to choose, like for example here, my fluid is water fluid. So if you want to change like the air gas, you can go here, choose the water liquid, right click, edit, and then choose here water and choose for air, and then that's it. You got your gas, your air gas that through your airfoil. And if you want to change your material airfoil, you can go here and then go here. Let's say that I want to my airfoil is made by stainless steel. You can choose whatever you want, whatever you like. Here I will go for stainless steel 305. And then there you go. You got the airfoil with the stainless steel material, and the airfoil will give the air gas to this area, to your airfoil. And you have to give the gravity here, go gravity and go to, I will in my simulation in this y direction, and then for the wall is a non-slip condition. And there you go. Yeah, I must say that this really simple setups, but compared to the classic workbench. And so I may say that the Ansys discovery is more like beginner user in friendly interface. Beginner user, I don't know. It's really a good recommended software if you want you from the beginner side. Oh, beginner side that want to jump into the simulation. You can go for to choose Ansys discovery is the recommended software that you can do for the first of your simulation, because it's really simple. And except that, here I show you what's the other what is the other interesting features that the Ansys discovery has. So you already finished your setup for your airflow. You can go solve, you can go here and then press solve. And then what is the interesting features is that they give you the animation of your fluid flow that went through go through to your airfoil here. You can see the vortex, this velocity vortex here, and you can do the animation here. And then it give you the Ansys discovery give you a visualization for your fluid flow when it through to your airfoil here. You can do here, maybe increasing the thickness here, and there you go, you got the animation. It's pretty interesting to see the, you know, like the fluid flow through to your design, your airfoil designs, like that. Maybe increasing the tail length, or maybe decreasing or increasing the tail length of your vortex flow, or maybe increasing the count of your vortex flow here again. So I must say the animation is really give you a really visualization of this fluid flow here. Not only that, you can also do for, you know, the basic workbench simulation results. You can get the velocity, the pressure here, for the static pressure here. There you go. And then also, except that, you get also the streamlines for your airfoil. You see the contour of your fluid flow. Yeah, velocity, okay. And then there's also the particles to give you a detailed visualization of your airflow. And yeah, that's also the interesting feature that I found. And the main interesting features for this Ansys discovery is this. So I tell you before that you need to turn on this history tracks. Okay. So here's the thing why that I tell you to turn on the history tracking is, while you doing the simulation, you can also while you doing the simulation, you can change your parameter, your design here lively while you're doing the simulation. That you can say that it's like a live simulation. Okay, so here's, I tell you, let's say that I want to tilt the airfoil about 10 degree to the upward. Okay, so here's what I need to do is to change here to 150 degree and go here, continue, and then they will update your lively your airfoil here. Sorry. So, and then the simulation is will automatically go to adapt. I'm sorry. I don't know what is. Sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. So here's, yeah, like I said before, that you can update your design. Wait. We'll go. Let's particles here. No, maybe streamlines. Okay. Here's, you can update your designs lively while doing the simulation here. Like you can see. So I changed my angle of attack of my airfoil here about 10 degree here, so it will automatically update your simulation here, which is the, you can see the process here is maybe I may say that it's kind of interesting, like that. It's like it's move real time in real time. I don't it's really interesting for me. Yeah. I want to change the angle here. I still updating the, you know, the simulation here. Or maybe you want to change the, I will close it. Or maybe you want to change the diameter here. I say that I will go here to increase the nose, diameter nose of the airfoil here. Say that I want 130. Update. Yeah. There you go. It will automatically update your airfoil based on your current design of your airfoil, and then it gives you the, I must say it's like live simulation, you know. You can do the, if you want to try a little different designs or different like this, you know, want to increase or decrease it, want to make it shorter, like here. Let's see that, want to go for 300. Yeah, let's update it. Go here one, then it will go automatically to adapt your current designs, like that. You can see the hot axis. Yeah, that's why I said this software is kind of interesting for me, and I hope this will give you an interest to look more to discover of the Ansys discovery. Okay, that's it for my simulation, my tutorial, and also my yeah, my video. So I may say, I may conclude about this software that the software is really beginner friendly user, that for you who want to jump into the simulation world, especially in mechanical, I will recommend you is to do the discovery first, because it's really if you compare it to the workbench, Asus workbench, it's more like you know, it's more like a detailing simulation. But you want to like a simple simulation, you can go for Discovery, and because due to the features that it has, like the animation, the simple setups when you're trying to do the simulation, and etc. But the cons for this software, I thought that I assume that you cannot do a lot of things for the simulation here, because but I can say that it's already programmed by the by its software, rather because when you do the simulation in workbench simulation, the classic workbench, it's more detailed than this software. So if I recommend you, if you want to try to do a rough analysis or rough sketch, rough illustration, you can go for this for the Discovery software. But if you want to exact result, that more accurate result, I will say that you should stick to the workbench simulation. So yeah, that's for my conclusion for this software. I hope you find something new about my videos. if, if you like this video, you can go press like buttons and press the subscribe button too if you want to subscribe this channel and to support this channel. And that's it. Thank you everyone, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye. Boom, 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 boom.